my, you're back!
Guess who's back?
I'm Claire!
I'm Mike!
And this is Better Homes
And Better Meals.
Episode 4. What are we gonna do when we get to episode like 20?
You're gonna go like that and I'll go like that.
We're making the PB&J
Makeover from the September issue of Better Homes and Gardens magazine. But first, we're trying the trendy jalapeno and the Sauvignon Blanc trend
that we saw
on
Better Homes and Gardens social media.
Saw Katie Heron wearing army pants and flip-flops, so I bought army pants and flip-flops.
There's a make sure to take your seeds out. But it's good.
Pretty good, yeah. Adds to the aromatic experience.
It gives the Sauvignon Blanc a little more something.
A little kick.
A little kick, if you will.
A little kick.
All
All
right.
right. So what do we need for our recipe today, Mike?
Well, you know what, Claire? You got the recipe right there. Why don't you read it? PB&J Makeover. So there's not too much to it.
No, it's pretty simple.
We will have
Frozen raspberries.
frozen raspberry that will be thawed, of course.
Yes. We're making our chia jam with our frozen raspberries and our chia seeds.
And we have some organic, no-stir peanut butter.
Allegedly, it's no stir. And then we have
Everyone's favorite, well, at least my favorite, brownberry, whole grains, oat nut bread.
Brownberry. If you'd like to sponsor us, we love your bread. So first of all, we have to defrost a 1/4 cup of our frozen raspberries. And then we have to microwave those on high for 30 seconds. Wait, get us out of there.
We could do it. What's that? Speed it up for the 30 seconds.
What?
Just 30 seconds.
Ooh, it's like getting spicier.
Well, the longer it sits there.
Now we're gonna mix in 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. But you know, again, we're eyeballers around
Give or
here.
take.
And now we let that sit for,
For
5 minutes.
5 whole minutes. It's getting spicy. All right, the jam is made. And by jam, I mean the frozen raspberries and
The chia
the
seeds.
chia seeds. Now, we're gonna go above and beyond the recipe.
We're gonna toast that bread.
We're gonna toast that bread.
Let's get this bread.
Let's toast
We're gonna go
it.
toast it.
Let's get
we'll be
toasty.
right back.
What?
The toaster's right here.
I thought you were doing a bit.
We're gonna toast it.
I guess you're gonna wait again. Oh gosh.
Well, toast is ready. The toast is toasted. Now it's time for the peanut butter.
Allegedly, this is no stir, and you can't see it because I'm gonna spill oil on the ground because it requires you to stir.
We're gonna stir it.
Yeah.
Churn, baby, churn, churn.
Churn, baby, churn.
I keep forgetting we're wearing a mic.
Oh yeah, we're yelling. We're yelling.
Come on, come on.
We should do some peanut butter ASMR.
Some peanut butter ASMR. What is it? ASMR stand for?
Audio. Sensory.
Peanut butter. I think we're stirred enough.
I think so too.
So we're going to put some peanut butter on the bread. Oh yeah.
So it didn't specifically call for crunchy or non-crunchy, but we figured with the chia seeds it'd be crunchy, so we go all out with the crunch and get crunchy peanut butter as well. Is that enough?
That looks like enough to me. Now we're gonna put on some of the jelly on top of it.
On top instead of on the other slice is crazy.
Crazy.
Comment below if you're one slice or a 2.
I want to know what you are.
You go peanut butter, then jelly, then plain bread, or do you go
Now
plain
we're gonna
bread?
see which one's better.
I'm sure it specifies in here. Bread homemade jam on second slice.
You're a liar. It doesn't say that.
Right there. Last sentence.
It does say that actually in the recipe. I apologize, Claire. All right. I am
Okay.
gonna try just a little scoop.
Ooh.
That's delicious.
That was an instant reaction.
All right. Now the last step, take 1/2 and put it on the other half.
And I think we should cut it. You need to cut it.
Them
grits is way too high, you need to cut it.
Spooky season.
Oh, look at the sides oozing.
Cut it, cut it, cut it.
Don't drop it. That's me. Cheers.
Cheers.
So good. That is the best PB&J I've had all day.
All day for
All day.
sure.
All day, all day, all day.
Oh my God. So good. The peanut butter is just perfectly laid on top. Oh, those chia seeds, between the protein and the fiber I'm getting. Ooh! Oh! It's gonna be good.
It's good right now, and it's gonna continue to be good.
Make sure to pick up your latest edition of Better Homes and Gardens magazine and try the PB&J Makeover.
All right.
Enjoy.
See you guys next time.
Sorry.
All right, are you done?
I guess we can pause it, right? You can pause it.